This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show how you can clear app cache and data on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Onwards, enter the apps category. From here, open the full list of installed apps. Then find and open the app info page for whatever app you would like to clear the data. Then onwards, go for the storage and cache. And at the storage page, you can either exclusively clear cache by tapping at the respective option, or you can remove all user data and including cache that this app has by tapping at the clear storage, then OK. And as you can see, both app data and cache were successfully cleared or deleted. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.